Hi, I'm Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm here with Don Bartusiak, president of CSI, and one of the originators of the Open Process Automation Forum. Don, welcome.
Thank you, Harry. Pleased to be here.
It's nice to have you here.
Yeah.
Don, recently an organization was formed called COPA, the Coalition for Open Process Automation.
Right.
You're a member of this.
Right.
Will you explain to our audience what COPA is and what it's about?
Right. So COPA it's a subset of the companies who are Open Process Automation Forum members. But the best way to explain it, it's a coalition of the willing who have come together to build a working instance of an OPAS-based system that we call Quick Start, which is an affordable entry point to the operating companies on how do they get started with OPA-based systems. Mm-hmm. So it's a fully contained functional control system as well as a structured training program.
Okay, and exactly who are the members? CSI, you said you're a member.
Right, so CSI and CPlane, I would say we're the kind of the founding members and the foundation of it. But at Phoenix Contact, Stahl, Codesys, SMAR, Intel, Inductive Automation, Yokogawa, and God forbid, I'm probably leaving some people out. Quest Global is providing services. We're pleased to announce the Wood Group is a member as a systems integrator. So in total, we have 12 companies formally announced already. We have 2 to add. So we're saying we are 14 companies.
Okay, that's pretty good progress for a fairly short time, and
right.
It's a good subset, a good representative subset of the Open Process Automation Forum.
Right, that's right.
So when you were with ExxonMobil and in a past life, you certainly spent a lot of investment working in this area, probably from day one.
Right.
ExxonMobil was involved, and the level of investment, it's safe to say, was probably in the millions or tens of millions of dollars if you could look at all the investment that they made. What is the kind of level of investment that people are expecting now from these more Quick Start programs?
Well, the Quick Start offering, the system and the structured training program, as we have packaged it, is priced on the order of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, and that's that's what it is, and I'll just leave it at that.
Yeah. Okay, but
we've adapted that depending upon the needs of our customers. So sometimes it's a purchase deal, sometimes it's a lease deal, but I won't go into those details.
Okay, but what kind of services are you offering with it?
Well, it's training, and what we intend to do is progressive updates, patches, and improvements of the system as we sort out higher degrees of functionality or efficiency improvements as we evolve over time, and that's what the customers will experience.
Okay, between now and the time of the next ARC Forum in the next 8 to 12 months, what should people expect to happen in COPA? What are the activities you anticipate?
Well, I would expect with a 1-year horizon, Harry, we'll probably have at least 10 sales, so 10 active, customer engagements. Where I don't know if we'll have 10 systems built in that 1-year time frame, but I think it's not unreasonable to say we expect to have 10 sales. And again, so that would be 10 systems, 10 commitments to customers for the type of training that we're offering. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Well, that sounds ambitious, and I hope you make it. And we'll be interested to hear more about this at this ARC Forum and the next one.
Yep, me too. I'd be happy to share our information with you all.
Well, we look forward to having you again and again at this meeting, Don. Thanks a lot.
Thanks so much, Harry.
Okay, this is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group, and my guest has been Don Bartusiak from CSI, president of CSI. Thank you very much for watching.